Colors and evolution. The ability to change colors seems like an animal superpower at times. Some of them can alter their appearance to blend with the colors, materials, and textures of virtually any surroundings. For some, this costume change happens quickly. For others, it's seasonal. It helps many avoid predators or sneak up on prey. For others, it helps them attract mating partners. From around the animal kingdom, here are some of the most impressive color-changing species in the world. The 5 main animals that use color change are the flounder, the octopus, the chameleon lizard, the tree frog, and the Arctic fox. All animals use color change in order to hunt, protect themselves against predators, communicate, and find mates. When the changing of season occurs, many birds and mammals deal with this by producing different colors of fur or feathers, depending on the time of year. In most cases, either shifts in temperature trigger a hormonal reaction in the animal that causes it to produce different biochromes. Feathers and fur in animals are dead tissue. Consequently, a bird or mammal has to produce a whole new coat of fur or feathers in order to change color. In many reptiles, amphibians, and fish, on the other hand, coloration is determined by biochromes in living cells. Biochromes may be in cells at the skin's surface or in cells at deeper levels. The most famous color changer, the chameleon, alters its skin color using a similar mechanism, but not usually for camouflaging purposes. Chameleons tend to change their skin color when their mood changes, not when they move into different surroundings. Male birds are more brightly colored than females. They're especially more colorful during the spring, which is mating season. They will display brighter colors, more colorful plumage, sometimes referred to as breeding plumage. The dull coloring of most female birds is no accident either. They're most often brown or green, providing them camouflage while they care for their young in the nest. Colors confuse predators. One study found that more peregrine falcons were able to catch pigeons that don't have a white patch on their rump than pigeons that do. The white color confused the falcons. Colors are used to attract attention when courting and trying to find a mate, as well as to attract attention when trying to distract predators. Odd-colored birds get picked off more easily by predators. In general, if a predator spots a bird that stands out from the rest, they will try to catch it more often than the birds that blend in. Birds' coloring did not develop at random, but has evolved through sexual selection. Interestingly, while colorful plumage serves to increase a male's mating success, it actually decreases his chances of survival by making him more easily visible to predators. However, such traits still evolve because they increase mating and reproduction, even if they harm individual survival. A male bird with a small, dull-colored tail would probably have a much better chance of survival, but if he did not find another way to attract females, his genes could not be passed down to the next generation.